Good afternoon, student. In chapter number 2, MS Access queries, forms and report. Yesterday, I was explain you how to create a form through Form Wizard. Today, your topic is how to preview the form. In this topic, you will learn how to enter the data into the forms, and after entering the data, how to preview the forms. So let's start. The first is we create a one table, that is the student table. I have make one table, student table, but I am not enter any data into the tables. This is the structure of the table. With the help of design view, I can create this uh, table. So first you have to create a table. After then click on the create button and choose more items or click on form. When you click on the form, you go to the view, that is the layout view. This view is layout view. Now click on the view button and choose form view. In the form view, now we enter the data. One by one, we enter the data. For example, we enter the data like student is Amit, class 8th, mark scored 105, gender male. Next, click on student name Ankit, class 9th, marks score 200, gender male. Again, student name Anushka, class 8th, mark score 250, gender female. Student name Ria, class 10, marks score 300, gender female. Student name Manu, class 7th, mark score 150, gender male. So in the navigation bar you can check that we have enter 5 or 5, that means we have a 5 records. So if you want to check any record, if you want to check last record, so already you have a last record. If you want to check the first record, you click on the record button, first record. This is the navigation bar which is display the first record, your current record, your next record, and your last record, and the new record. If you want to add a new record, then you can add a new record also. Now if you want to choose, click on the student table, you can check that student table will show and Control S and save your form student table. After that, If you want to preview your form, then click on the form and click on create button, choose the form and click on form view. When you click on the form view, it will display the form which you have, the data which you have entered into your form. It will show the preview of the form. So this is the preview of the form. You can add a logo in this preview form. That means if you want to change the appearance of your form, then go to the layout view or design view, or click on the layout view, and you can change the logo of the particular data also. For example, if you want to change the logo, then click on the sample picture and choose the logo and click on OK button. So you can add a logo also in your form, change the appearance of the forms also. Suppose the title, you can change the title of the form, date. If you want to add a date and time, then you can use the date and time, or in a different color. Then click on the particular forms like this. So that is the preview of the form. That means when you complete your work, you want to check the record, then click on the preview button. This is the preview of the form. So go to the form view and you can check your preview of the forms. So student table 3 will show the forms also. So that is the use of preview of the form. Or you want to enter the new data, then click on this, click on the navigation bar, or add a new data in your form. You can add a new data also, like Neha, class 9th, mark score 300, it's a female. So you can add a new record. Now the record is 7 of 7. That means we have a 7 record, and you can check one by one each and every records. So that is the use of forms. Now today your homework is you have to create a one table and enter 5 record. In your table, you have to enter student name, student age, student class, and student marks. That means you will make a one table, and in this table you will assign these fields, that is the student name, student age, student class, and student marks. So you have to create one table, and after creating a table you will send me on through WhatsApp. So till then, goodbye.